DJI has now locked in April 23, 2026 for the Lito X1 launch, and the timing has turned this drone from a whisper into one of the most talked about releases of the spring. The date matters because DJI is not just teasing a new model, it is preparing to show a product that many expect to sit near the top of its mini drone line. For creators, travelers, and drone fans, this could be the moment DJI reshapes its small drone family again, with the Lito X1 positioned as the more advanced sibling in the new Lito range. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. The DJI Lito X1 represents a significant pivot in the drone industry, merging high-end professional specifications with the ultra-lightweight portability of the sub-249-gram category. This specific weight class is a massive deal for global buyers because it often bypasses complex aviation registration and remote ID requirements in many markets, making it the ultimate tool for stress-free travel. By staying in this sweet spot, DJI ensures the Lito X1 remains accessible and non-intimidating, yet the hardware suggests a refusal to compromise on power. This looks like a drone built for the modern creator who demands big drone performance without the burden of a bulky, complicated setup. The camera is one of the biggest talking points, with leaks pointing to a sensor around 1/1.3 inches or larger. This would be a noticeable step up from lower-end compact drones, and a strong sign that DJI wants sharper detail and better low-light results for nighttime cityscapes or sunset shots. Some reports also suggest a 3-axis gimbal with a wider tilt range, which should help keep footage smooth during high-speed movement and allow for true vertical shooting. If these specs hold true, the Lito X1 could be the kind of drone that feels easy for beginners but still has enough image quality to satisfy serious content creators who need to travel light. The flight and safety features are also getting a lot of attention. Rumored battery life stretches to around 50 minutes in some reports, though that number should be read as an optimistic estimate, likely achieved only in perfect, windless conditions rather than a guaranteed result. More consistently, leaks mention 360-degree obstacle avoidance using a mix of fisheye optics, infrared, and LiDAR-like sensors. That would be a major selling point because it suggests DJI is trying to make small drone flying feel safer, more confident, and less stressful, especially for people who do not have much flying experience. This Neo-style, omnidirectional awareness would allow the drone to navigate complex environments like forests or tight urban alleys, with minimal pilot intervention. Transmission and control may be another headline feature. Several reports point to DJI's O5 system, possibly with SDR, software-defined radio, and 5G-style integration, and range estimates above 20 kilometers. This system would ensure a rock-solid video feed even in interference-heavy urban environments. Other leak coverage mentions direct control modes like voice commands, hey fly, motion control, and app-based flying, which gives the Lito X1 a more modern, almost gadget-like feel. If DJI really includes these features, the drone would not just be a camera in the sky, it would be a more interactive flying tool designed for fast, casual use. Design-wise, the leaks paint a picture of a sleek, foldable drone with a more polished body than the earlier Mini-style models. The body appears compact, with arms that fold inward for travel, and the camera module seems more integrated into the front shell for better protection. The leaked retail packaging for the Fly More Combo Plus suggests a refined battery latch system and a premium build quality. That kind of design usually tells a story. DJI wants portability, but it also wants the drone to look and feel premium enough to justify a higher price. In a market crowded with small drones, appearance still matters because people often buy with both the eyes and the wallet. Price is where the conversation becomes more grounded in market expectations. Some leak roundups place the Lito X1 around $759, which would make it a premium compact drone rather than a budget model. That price would also fit the idea that DJI is aiming this at prosumers, travel creators, and enthusiasts who want a stronger camera and more advanced flight support than the cheaper entry-level options. In that sense, the Lito X1 may not be the drone for everyone, but it could be the one that grabs the most attention. It effectively bridges the gap between the affordable Lito 1, rumored to replace the Mini 4K, and the higher-end Mini 5 Pro. The bigger story here is strategic. DJI appears to be refreshing its compact drone identity with a new naming line and a more aggressive feature set, while still protecting the sub-250-gram sweet spot that makes these drones easy to recommend. By integrating 42 gigabytes of internal storage, DJI is also reducing the friction of needing external SD cards, making the drone ready to fly straight out of the box. If the leaks are close to reality, the Lito X1 could sit near the top of that new family and replace the old idea of what a mini drone can do. The April 23, 2026 release date gives DJI a clean stage to make that point in public, and the market will be watching closely to see whether the final product lives up to the buzz. Beyond the hardware, the Lito X1 seems to be part of a broader shift toward autonomous and AI-driven flight. The combination of LiDAR-assisted return-to-home and intelligent tracking modes suggests that DJI is moving toward a future where the drone does the heavy lifting of cinematography, leaving the user to focus on the creative vision. This could be particularly impactful for solo creators who need a cameraman in the sky that they can trust to navigate around obstacles while keeping them perfectly framed. Furthermore, the integration of the RC2 controller support indicates that DJI isn't abandoning its dedicated hardware ecosystem. Instead, it's making sure that even its most portable drones can be used with high-quality, screen-integrated controllers for the best possible flight experience. This cross-compatibility is a hallmark of DJI's strategy, ensuring that longtime users can easily transition to new models without having to relearn their entire setup. Overall, the DJI Lito X1 feels like more than a routine update. It looks like DJI is trying to blend portability, smarter flight tools, stronger imaging, and a friendlier user experience into one compact drone. By addressing common pain points like battery anxiety, fear of crashing, and complex registrations, they are making a play for a much broader audience than just drone enthusiasts. If the official reveal matches the leaks, this could become one of the most important and influential small drones of 2026, setting a new benchmark that competitors will be chasing for years to come.